Ethan.
Oh, it's all done. It's turning off. It's just
I'll
turning
give it.
off. It's just turning off. Did you realize that Bubba's awake?
You what?
Bubba, you were snoring.
Probably, yeah.
Wait, no. No, it's Riley's turn.
Is Grammy sleeping?
No, there will be no sleeping after that.
Take her and throw her in the water.
You'll definitely
Me and Riley, we did it together.
Oh my god,
Let's sleep.
if you push the red button again, it'll turn off.
Don't worry, I'm not gonna.
Let me see that.
What?
This is not supposed to be on. There we go.
Oh, that's not a full set.
How isn't it a full
Because you need 4.
Hey, I
Wow.
didn't say that.
This game is silly.
You have, you can play these. Look, you can steal a property from any player.
Oh yeah,
I don't know.
You have to lay
Is
down
there
for it.
bugs?
What do you want to steal?
Up here. Move that wiggly thing.
This one is yellow.
I meant the yellow one.
Look
It's only
with
3.
this. Move it to the side.
And I flipped this around so there's only 2 instead of 4. And then how many cards was that? 2?
Oh, that's true.
That was 3.
Hey, look up close.
Tyler.
Oh my
I got him.
Why Granny's hair?
Now,
Alright.
I dare you go. Hey!
Stop making plans.
I'm teaching him how to play.
Riley, I dare you go
Okay.
walk up the
Tyler,
What?
pay me $5 million.
I ain't giving her nothing.
You have to.
No, she's losing.
Oh, she's
Yes, she is.
I'm better than you already.
We're all get one. We're all gonna get one property. The cages.
Don't do it, Riley.
Whatever, she
All right,
stole a
Rhonda,
whole
go.
Sorry. She stole a whole set from you.
Yeah, she did.
What you need?
Okay.
Oh, I have a card that paid me.
1,
I have a card that paid me.
2, 3. Alright, go time. Okay.
I do have dark for your set. I want to set. Watch that, see? Look at one of them.
Oh, wait. Is that lactate? Okay. What's Dad doing? Cutting the ham?
Dang. Wait, can I take one back?
He's cutting that food and he gave me a piece of ham.
How is
Lay
it?
down some of your properties there.
Is it dry or is it good?
With the ham?
Yeah.
It's like
Perfect.
you know how
Mouth-watering.
ham it, you know how the ham skin is?
Mm-hmm.
How it's all
Scrumptious.
how it's all like how it's all hard to chew.
Oh, turn it off.
How it's all hard to chew and it tastes really good.
Riley, take this one.
That's how it is.
Around with that.
Well, you don't want to do the railroad.
Parker.
Or have everyone
Hi, Rhonda, who's winning?
it could be, it's anyone's game there,
Whose
kiddo.
birthday is it?
Riley's.
Happy birthday, Riley. Hey, you
No,
can't put properties there.
Put the properties over here. Now, you, since you already have 2, you might as well.
Okay. Can I use the house thing?
No. The properties are the only thing you can't bank. Once the houses and stuff are in the bank, then they're only money.
Okay.
And then,
What was the other one that I could put down?
if you did this and laid this down,
All right, turn
give
it off.
Paige one
I
of these,
have the camera
steal
on the
that yellow,
birthday
so
boy.
you have a full set of yellow. And then people can't steal from you unless you have the deal breaker.
Hey Riley,
Okay. I want the yellow card.
Riley,
That one.
Riley, is today your birthday?
Actually, it is.
Tucker's still videotaping. He's
So
still
now you have a full-
videotaping.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Riley. Happy birthday to you. Did a bird just poop on my head?
Alright,
So
Tucker,
now
turn
it's
it
steal
off.
from me unless I do.
Unless I have a deal breaker.
Excuse me.
Oh! Tell me you have a just say no card.
Hey, Paige.
Now you definitely need a
Anything,
kicker.
any
raining.
card I get, I'm
raining.
going after you.
It's
It
raining.
is kind of raining. Holy relax.
Tyler, you need to calm down. Parker, put mom's